Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to take a look at the DOT chart. It's a cryptocurrency which is very popular and it is actually on its way into a trading area for a potential wave 2. So we want to take a look at this chart now. Let's go. So we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can find the link in the description. Just click on it. You can register completely for free and you get access to all of these Elliott wave updates on a daily basis. So let's click on the cryptocurrency section. We select Polkadot. And we first want to take a look at the long-term chart. So here is very important. Here's very important that the market holds above these previous lows around 360. That's very important from a long-term basis point of view. What we would like to see is more upside momentum, obviously, and the market needs to break above $50 to unlock prices in this long-term target area around $86 plus. Now, higher prices are possible long-term, but first of all, I think we all want to see a little bit more upside momentum on the smaller time frame. And a break above this $50 level is absolutely crucial because this is the high of the previous wave 1 from 2021. It's not the all-time high, but from an Elliott wave point of view, the high that formed end of 2021 was only a high B wave. So it was actually formally already part of the bear market. But actually the idea is that a third wave rally has started, but there's a long way to go. So this is sort of a long-term outlook, gives you an idea of levels that are really relevant on the longer time frame. But if the price breaks below that red line, this long-term outlook will be seriously challenged. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. Now this is now interesting because you can see that on the shorter time frame, I mean, as long as this August low is holding here around 360, and again, there might be minor differences based on which exchange you're using, but really we don't want to break below the August low. As long as this level is holding, we can watch for a potential 1-2 setup here, and the price should find support here in the blue trading area. It is important that the price holds above this key area, or at least doesn't break and sustain below it, because any break below these support levels, below Fibonacci support, will likely lead to invalidation. Now, it's not formally going to be invalidated until the price really breaks below the red line, but there's a difference between support and invalidation. This is all about probabilities, and we know that statistically most wave 2 corrections would find support in such a Fibonacci support area. Wave 2s, they are typically the deep corrections. They typically provide really good reward to risk ratio, because if DOT can find support before breaking below the support area, or before actually breaking below the red line, because this is the invalidation point, right? The price has a really good chance to form a third wave rally, and this third wave needs to take the price above that 1188 level, and then possibly to new highs into the direction actually of that $50 area that we took a look at on the larger time frame. But first of all, the focus here is on this currently still unfolding correction. There's no evidence the low is in. Maybe when you watch the video, the price has already turned around. I mean, key is not necessarily to tell you, this or that is going to happen, but to help you understand what happens if, for example, if the price breaks below support, right, we're probably going to see invalidation. If the price forms a reversal in the support area, it marks likely the start of a third wave rally, which would need to be further confirmed by a break above that recent high and the green line, right? So this is all quite promising at the moment. We have had a nice rally, and now we see a decent pullback, and these wave 2 corrections, they are typically deep corrections, sharp corrections, and they typically offer a really good reward to risk ratio. So it's worth watching for it. Maybe something to watch for, possibly for a turnaround, early 2025. So we are definitely watching this very, very closely. And any setup where the price is close to an invalidation point is typically quite good, because not necessarily because it has to hold, but because the reward to risk ratio is very, very favorable. So that's the update about DOT. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure that you follow us on our website, register. You can do that completely for free. Again, subscribe to the channel here as well on YouTube, activate the notification bell, and let me know which other cryptocurrencies or stocks you want me to cover going forward. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.